What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Cutthroat Casters. Today we're going to be trying something I'm not sure has been tried to be done before. We're going to try to catch some fish on a paper clip. Now I know some of you guys are probably thinking that's not going to be possible, or how am I going to do that, but to be honest I don't know how I'm going to do it either. But we're out here in beautiful western Colorado. The ice is looking a little sketchy today, but we're going to be safe. We're going to work our way out there. Hopefully get you guys a fun video. All right, I got the hoodie on, trying to stay warm. We're working our way out here. We're gonna try to drill some holes first, test the ice, make sure it's okay. It was really warm and windy earlier today, so it definitely melted. You know, it took a toll on the ice. So we'll go and see. All right, so I was able to get a few holes drilled, kind of see how we were doing here. Everything's looking pretty good. It's just really slushy on top, so it's kind of hard to judge. But yeah, we got a couple holes drilled here. And we're probably dealing with, you know, 6-7 inches of pretty clear ice, but there's about, you know, the inch of slush and about an inch of water on top as well. All right, so we're gonna turn our fish finder on here and see how we're doing. Right there. See what kind of depth. All right, so we're in 5 feet here. Turn the zoom up, gain, turn down to 15. All right, so here's the setup for today. We're going to be using a paper clip, and all I did was just put a treble hook on the end. You buy at any fishing store, or a lot of times the hardware stores will have them as well. But yeah, I just got that tied onto an ugly stick. This kind of makes my mess around rod, and we're gonna see if we can't get one on this. Drop it all the way down to the bottom for him, see if we'll chase it down. Yeah, we have a super high pressure system coming in right now, and it's just unbelievably windy today. A lot of times the rainbows are the predominant fishing here. A lot of times the rainbows, when it's super windy or those type of fish, they'll go from high and suspend it, and they'll cruise the bottom, and they'll just eat stuff off the bottom. So, but yeah, I saw them barely on my screen. I just saw my mark just sitting there, and then I saw the bottom marks changing colors, just like I'm doing right now. Drop back down, barely see them falling. So I ended up switching holes back over there, just being safe, making sure the ice was thick enough. So back over there, I drilled a hole that was 5 foot, and then I drilled another one that was 8 foot. And now I'm sitting here, I set back up in just over 11 feet of water. I'll catch a fish here soon, and I'll be able to kind of walk you guys through what kind of equipment I'm using, fish finder. Oh, there we go. He just smacked it. Come on the paper clip. Come on, he's right at the hole. Come on. It's a nice rainbow. Hardly any force, so I was really trying to make sure I didn't bend up the paper clip and lose them, but he ended up just popping off and I didn't get a good enough hook set on him. Dag nabbit. He's gonna bite. Come on. On the paper clip. Oh, I got him. On the paper clip. There he is. Oh, popped right out. There's a brown trout. Not a big one, a lot smaller than the first one that I hooked and got all the way to the hole but missed. But look at that. Brown trout on a paper clip. It is possible. Let's go. I got him. I got him. Feels huge. No! It bit straight. Look at that. Just spin it out. Golly. That's what happens when you try to freaking catch a fish on a paper clip. Oh, I missed it. There we go. 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 Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice rainbow trout. Look what's right in the top of his mouth. Paper clip, baby. Look at that. That's probably a 15 and a half, 16-inch rainbow. Hell yeah. Let's get this hook out and get him back. Awesome. Awesome. Let's get this guy back in. See you, buddy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So, yeah. It's been a freaking grind and a half. An absolute grind and a half. Alright, let's get another bite. Got him. Got him. On the paper clip. On the paper clip. On the paper clip. Oh, baby! Let's go! Look at that! Look at that. Nice 14-inch brown trout. And look what's right in his snout. I think that's a paper clip. I think that's a paper clip. Buddy, I don't think you're supposed to use a paper clip. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's beautiful. Hell yeah, we're finally able to make it happen. Hell yeah, I had to drill, I don't know, probably 8 total holes. You know, coming from a span over here, it's about 8 foot. And then moving out towards the middle of the lake. Down over here where I was. I got back up to 12 foot. But, yeah, you guys were able to see it. Look at that. I missed 2 really good fish, but who knew paper clips bent out? I didn't know. They didn't tell me that at the gas station where I bought them either. But hell yeah. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe. You know, I really appreciate it. It helps on the channel a lot. And please leave a comment and let me guys know kind of what you guys want to see next. I'm trying to grow this channel, and I mean, it's something I love doing. And if you guys want to see something, just comment it, and I'll try to make it happen. I was able to catch them and make it happen on a paper clip this time. You guys comment and let me know what you want me to use next time. Hell yeah. It's getting dark, it's getting cold. The sun is setting, it's beautiful out here still, but it's time to go back and have some dinner and eat some good food and enjoy a Friday night. All right, guys, I'm peacing out. Remember, keep casting.